Hello friend, welcome back. This is really good feature and very useful feature. Like if you want to convert your XPath to CSS selector, this is really amazing. Very easily in just few seconds you can convert your XPath into CSS selector, and this is very helpful in those situations. Suppose if somebody wants to convert their XPath, all the XPath locators to CSS selectors, then they can in that situation it's really helpful. If suppose you want to convert your Selenium script to, you are like migrating to Cypress or some JS framework, then this feature is going to help you a lot. So suppose if you have some XPath which you want to convert into CSS selector, and really good CSS selector you want to convert. So suppose if you have copied any you have any XPath which looks like absolute XPath kind of thing, so that you can like paste it over here, or just you just paste that XPath over here and press enter. You see that you got the CSS selector for that particular element. Suppose if you inspect some other element, now you see that this is the CSS selector for your XPath. And for better thing, like let me show you here on google.com. Suppose for this field, or I'm just showing like any XPath, you could have any XPath. So what you have to do, for whichever page that XPath is, you have to open that page. So this XPath which I'm going to paste it over here is for this field or for this page. Now if I press enter over here, you see that it gives me this CSS selector. So this is the CSS selector for my XPath, this one. But if you unfortunately by mistake if you paste that XPath over here, you will not get anything, because that is not the part of this page. So you will have to open that page for which that XPath is, then you press enter. You will get the SH selector, basically selector sub selector. So this is the CSS selector for your XPath. So this is how you can convert your XPath into CSS selector very easily. Any XPath, you just paste it here. Like many times people just inspect this element and copy the XPath, and also like you can see that the XPath, you can compare the XPath which you get from browser DevTools. This is the XPath you got, and this is the XPath which selector sub generate. So this is a huge optimization. Now if you press enter for this XPath, you got the relative CSS selector which you can directly use it in your script, and very helpful, very optimized one. So this is how you have seen that you can convert your XPath into CSS selector in just in seconds. So if you are migrating from Selenium to Cypress or any JS framework from any technology, you can easily convert your XPath into CSS selector. So with that, thank you so much. Again, I would request you, please like, share and comment in the comment section, and let me know your thoughts about these features of selector sub. And I would really request you, please share selector sub with the community, and subscribe to the channel, and keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so much.